This is the effect that will take your editing from amateur to pro. I'll take you step by step how to create this effect, add all these different extra effects like you see on screen to really make it spice up and stand your content from the crowd. But before we dive into this, I want to let you know that my text and logo animation presets are out. It's packed with a bunch of shakes, slides, glows, tons of animations, so you guys don't need to spend just an ungodly amount of time on repetitive tasks like as for me. So definitely go check those out, link in the description. I have a $5 discount code for you, use it behind, and that's enough talking. Let's dive right into this. This is what we're going to make right here. I love that. It's a nice just slide with that shake, with the flicker. That looks awesome. That's a really cool effect. That's definitely gonna have you guys stand out, and I'm sure your clients are gonna be really happy about that. So grab the bottom layer. We're gonna duplicate this and put it above your text layer. Make sure you're not on the bottom layer because then the effect is not gonna work. Grab this top one and go to your opacity. We want to click this pen tool. That's gonna start the mask and we're gonna start creating it. And grab the toggle animation by just clicking on the stopwatch, and now you're ready to start masking out your subject to put it behind it. So hit P and it'll bring this pen tool up. Use your Alt and scroll wheel to really like zoom in on your subject and just shape around his head. When you're doing it, really zoom in and put it more on his face. You don't want to get it to the left because when it face tracks, and it kind of does it all for us, the brutal of the work, it's gonna really expand and not grab it as good if you're to the left more. So just for keepsake, kind of stick it on the skin of your subject. For some reason my hand tool doesn't want to work, so I can't really go up any higher, but yeah, just go around him, make sure you're doing a nice job. You don't have to go all the way on the top unless you're gonna do it like right up here, but I'm just thinking of doing it right where my eye level is, so I'm just gonna cut across from here, kind of do like a rougher cut, and just click around his head, my head. It's kind of funny. Keep going, almost done, almost there. Go down, 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 kind of grab my shoulder. Make sure you connect it by clicking that. And now you can see that it's behind the head, but we're not done because if we just played this right now, so if we just play it like this, you can see that, I mean, you obviously see right here, there's gaps and everything. We don't want that. So once you've got it, just click the little play button. It's gonna track it like it's doing right now. And it's gonna do majority of the work for us. And once you're done, you should get a pretty good one. So let's just click off of that. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can see, I mean, there's obviously gaps right here, but we'll fix that. So just scroll out, hit fit. We're gonna grab it, and sadly you have to go through each and every single one of these. That's why I recommend not having a really like moving object like I am. I'm like really swaying a lot. But if you wanna fix this and not have it look so terribly, just click on your mask, really zoom in, and you can see that this is kind of rough on my ears. So just hit V. And when it has this cursor with that little circle, just grab and drag it. So I can grab and drag these, pull them to my ear like a little outwards so it kind of looks a little better. And just do that for every single one. It's gonna take like some time, but not like an enormous amount of time, especially if you like highlight these. You can highlight them and then move them like this. So if you did it perfectly around your ear, you can just pop it like that, just like I did. And to spice it up, let's have this behind slide in. So I'm just gonna grab one of my slide in. So let's do slide in left. Go to my slide in and put it to the right just a little bit. Perfect, now it slides in. It needs a little drop shadow, so I'm just gonna search up one of my drop shadows. That's looking a lot better. And I want that flicker effect like you guys saw. So I'm just gonna search up flicker like I did. And flicker. Awesome. And check this video right over here. It's gonna teach you exactly how I edit my short form content, raw footage. So definitely go do that. Peace.